do recording. That recording is going on. I don't know what happened to recording.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, 1 second, sir.
Wait, just wait.
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to hear you, sir.
So, someone switch off my internet. Okay, that's the problem. Yeah. Can you hear this one? Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
So this.
Sir, you.
Hmm?
Okay, recording, sir. Okay, sir.
Because actually one recording's over, not over. I don't know. It is things going on. I have to see later.
Sir,
on.
I think it will automatically get saved to your download, sir.
I'm doing first time. Okay, that's why I don't do all these things. It's a headache for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now understood now this one. So for F block element, there are totally 32 elements are there. So let us find out. So if you take the X, this one, can you see here? Atomic number 13.
Sir, actually your voice got cut in F block, sir. So I don't. Can you again repeat that, sir?
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is unstable sometimes. Now there is an element called X. Okay, whose atomic number is 33. Can you see now in red color?
Yes, sir.
So what is the group number in period? How do you find out? So what we'll do? So first you write the electronic configuration X and you see the last one, 4p3. So 4p3 means it is 4th period and 3 means 12 plus 3, 15. Understood now? So group number is 15 and period is 4. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So 4th period and group number 15 means it will belong to which element? So 4th period is always will be aluminium. Aluminium 4th period now. It's not aluminium. CPL 4th period will be after zinc, zinc, gallium, indium, gallium, then germanium. Gallium will be 31, germanium, and then next is arsenic. So it is arsenic only. Clear? They will ask you all these things.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell the group number, period, and name of the element. So this much you have to remember. Understood?
Yes,
clear?
sir.
They're tough only, but they can ask questions, right?
Sir, but this is the same thing as the D group, right, sir? D group, you use the same technique, right, sir?
Yes. You see this, I'll give you one more example. Can you see example of Y57? In this,
yes,
how
sir.
do you tell answer this one? For this answer, what is the
sir,
name of
this one is the electronic configuration, sir.
Actually, you have to remember the electronic atomic number of all inert gases. Helium is 2, and then neon will be 10. Okay, then after the argon will be 18. After argon, next, this you have to remember. Without this, you can't able to solve question fastly. Next is the krypton, 36. After krypton, next is xenon. Xenon is 54. And after xenon, next is your radon. So radon is something 86. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then you can able to solve question. So you can calculate by yourself now. 56 plus 54 plus 32, it will come 86 automatically. So hydrogen, so helium, neon, argon, then next is krypton, then xenon, and last is radon. Then after that, you can able to locate the element properly. So these are some techniques you have to remember.
Sir,
so
the period is period is 6, sir, and the group number is
54 is xenon. Okay, xenon
13.
After xenon, next will be 6s to 3d1, 5d1. Okay. After 6, next will be 5d1, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Xenon will be 54, and after 54 is your, obviously it is 4p6. Xenon is 4p6. After 4p6, next we'll get the 5s1, and then it will be 5p6. After 5p6, this will be 6s1, and then 5d1. That is in the periodic table. So group number will be 3, and period will be 6. So element name is called lanthanum.
Sir, but how is group number 3, sir?
It is
this
5D1,
is 2, right, sir?
5D1. Why 2? 5
Sir, but then 1 plus 12 is 13, right, sir?
12 for P block. D block, D block 1 plus 2, na? P block is 12. Okay.
Sir, but over here for P block you added 12, sir.
The P block 12. This is D now. Why you adding 12? Why we add the 12 for D? D will be up to 2 now. Because D start with the third group. Okay. D 1 to 10 start with the third group only. It's clear.
So, but how do you find whether it's a D block or P block, sir?
Use the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? 57. So up to 54 is the xenon. So
Yes,
xenon
sir.
is 5p6. Xenon is 5p6 now. After 5p6,
Yes, sir.
6s2. So 5p6 is 54. And then 6s2 will be 56. After 56, next will come D block now. That is 57.
Yes, sir.
We know 57 is lanthanum. Yes or no?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
That you have to remember that 57 is length that you know, because 58 to 71 is the lanthanides. Yes. You got my point? 58 to 71 is lanthanides, means after lanthanum. And next is your 89 is the actinides. After 90 to 100, they are the actinide series, 14 element, in which electrons are filled in the f orbital. Yes.
Yes, sir. So you're supposed to find the block using the last electronic configuration. So it's D over here, so it's D block.
Yes,
It's S over here because it's yes block, and it's P over here because of P block, sir.
You better
Okay, sir.
by seeing here, you just practice some questions. Okay. Suppose let us go to Zoom board. So let us see the element name is. So you want, suppose you can say X is 45. Okay, so you tell the create and group. Okay, now and element name. Can you solve now? And here is suppose Y is 39. Now tell answer this one quickly. You saw this one. I'm giving one more question. Okay. 75. Can you solve now?
Okay,
Hello?
sir. 1 second, sir.
Solve it and I'm coming 2 minutes.
One 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 4, 10, 10, 12, 12, 6, 6, 6, 6, 18, 18, 20, 20, wait, 45. Helium, neon, argon, krypton. $36. So krypton. Copy. Then 5s2. Nine. So it's 9. 4p. Some 4p6 would come. 4p. 2. to 10. Five is one will come.
Element name, element name.
Oh,
And configuration. I'll write
so
a
configuration is
Okay, 5.
5s2.
We have to take Genon will be 54 now. And if Kipton will be 36, right? So 36 means it will be 4p6. After 4p, next is the 5s2. And for 36, 38, you have to take 9. So 38 means next will be 4d. 4d, 9. Clear? 38 and 4d, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. It will be 11 now.
Oh, so, I got 5s1, sir. Maybe that's why it's wrong.
Correct. It's a 49 now. 49 not possible. It will be 4010. Actually, it is coming 4010 means actually group number 9 only, right? If you see the order 49, because 49 is not stable. So it belongs to after below the copper. Copper below is silver only. So also is silver. Got it? You can check also. It's coming silver. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Because silver is
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
You have to practice this one. It's not difficult, easy only, but you have to
So the
practice.
element name only I don't know how to find, sir.
Element name, the coinage metal is silver, copper, silver, and gold down. Then the group 30 is your zinc, cadmium, mercury. And P block I told you, and S block I told you. Remaining you have to memorize with the help of mnemonics. I know Hindi mnemonics only. That you have to remember all element name. They can ask you anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is competition now. When they don't have questions, they can ask for this type of silly questions. And there is a maximum chance the student won't able to give answers. So those who are able to give answers, it is a gift question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Most dangerous is factual question. Most dangerous factual questions. Who will remember the fact? Facts are too many things now. So students are taking risk also if they don't remember. But they will. In that case, you can use the elimination technique. Okay, that is only helpful. There is no other way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not necessary to solve every question. You have to use the technique elimination. That is the kind of guess, but it should be very strong. Okay, try to attempt those things, then you can leave it. Okay. Each question is very, very important.
Yes, sir.
50, next one, 5s2, 39 will be how much? 36 krypton, and the third it will be 5:6x1. 6d1, no? 6d1 only? Yes. No, 4D,
6.
4D1, 4D1. Yes.
Sir, but
Are,
I got 5s2, sir.
it is 39. 36 is the krypton, na? Clear?
Yes, sir.
After 4p6, we go next period, that is 5:2. So 36 plus 2 will be 38. After 30, we have to take 41, na? Yes. Understood? So it is
Oh,
not 3. 2 plus 1, 3, na? So first element is called yttrium, I think. Yttrium, you all got. Hafnium. I think hafnium is not yttrium. It will be hafnium. Is there hafnium? Because after scandium, hafnium, and yttrium, these elements are there. Yes or no?
I don't know really. I am not really sure of the elements, sir.
No, you have to remember. You can't ignore it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can't ignore it. Okay, because they will ask you
Okay,
the size of hafnium and yttrium, both are same. It is in class 12. They're asking this question. Okay, so you better
sir. Yes,
remember
sir.
slowly, at least by listening, by interaction, but you can't ignore it. If you ignore, it will be a problem for you. So don't try to ignore. Then Z75, easy, you can solve by yourself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I'll solve, sir.
You want to solve right now or later on? You can try.
Actually, I got 6s2, sir, as the electronic configuration.
Actually, you can go from the backside also. Backside means suppose we have radon, we have how much? Xenon is 4p, krypton 4p6, xenon will be 5p6. Then radon will be 6p6. Okay, clear. Understood
Yes, sir.
now? Actually, xenon, so one is krypton, xenon, and then radon, right there. So this is 4p6, and so this will be 5p6. So this will be 6p6 definitely. And then is the next is the 7p. 7p6. I think 4p6 now. Correct now. 4p6, 5p6, 6p6. Then 7p6. 7p6 means 7th period. So that is your on Gason, right? OZ is there. So this is your 86. And if you subtract 86 minus 80, 6, it becomes 80. 80 means it is a group number 12, that is mercury. So this is asking 75. This belong to, you better take from the xenon only. So 57 is the lanthanum. And after 57, we have 71 is the your F block element. So 72 start from the second group, fourth period. So D2 will be 74. Then you have the D3 will be 75. So it belongs to group number 5. Clear? Are you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Sir,
Doctor,
I don't know where I'm going wrong, sir.
you understood
Okay, sir.
technique,
I will try it again, sir. At after class, I'll try it again.
technique or not? But you have not seen in front of me now. I want answer every time you give wrong answer. How will you ensure?
Yes, sir. I don't know. I try. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'll solve it out and I'll after
I will
class,
give,
sir.
I will give you one more question. Okay, so try this one. 52, can you tell me quickly? 52,
Yes, sir.
try this one. 41. 83,
Sir, Krypton is
36.
36, right, sir?
Hmm.
Okay. 36. From
This is
xenon.
not given the books. Okay, you have to think and write. So I'm telling you, you apply this one, you will never make a wrong. Never, ever. Okay, always you'll give the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
I'm on cube.
So Krypton ends with
And then you start practicing the paper. Okay. I gave you on a neat paper, neat book, neat company's book.
yes, sir.
Yes. Start solving that book. Almost we finished the 40% syllabus. 40% syllabus over today. Clear.
Okay.
We
Yes,
are
sir.
out. I will take 2 more class, whole syllabus finished. In 1 week, 1 chapter over.
Yes, sir. 4p6,
Huh?
that is 60,
Hmm.
34, 36.
Hmm.
36, so 52 minus
We get
36,
how much? So
116.
means
So,
4p6 means 5 is to 38.
yes, sir, 1 second.
After 5 is to next is
5
the
is 2,
40 no
10,
40
40.
10. Hmm.
40, 10. So
10 also
2
counts.
plus
12 also
12.
counts. So you left for it belongs to your you take the Genon, you take it from Genon, you just subtract it. Genon is 56. Okay, 54 Genon now. The 54 and 53 and 52. So you have to subtract
So, but
3
how
only.
will you subtract, sir?
Why? This is Genon now. Genon we have heart. Genon we have 54. So this is your 4p6, right? So this will be what? You have to subtract 3, no? 4p3. This will be obviously 4p3. 4 and this will be 3 plus 12, 50.
Oh,
Clear, easy. Group 15
oh,
means
yes, sir. Okay, sir. I thought we have to only take forward direction.
right.
Yes, sir.
It belongs to bismuth, isn't it? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
No, arsenic, sorry, not bismuth, it's arsenic. Arsenic, no. Arsenic belongs to fourth plate. Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Clear.
So
You
now I
see,
will solve for the next
if
one,
they are
sir.
if they are close to xenon, in our guess, you go from the xenon side. If they are away
Okay,
from, if
sir.
close to a previous one, they go from the previous one. Okay, it will be comfortable for you. Understood now?
Yes,
You
sir.
are
Okay.
using one direction. You use the both direction. Okay, left side, right side. It's clear now?
Okay, sir.
Understood? Okay. Answer you get both sides, but you take which will take less time. Hmm?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now do quickly.
Okay.
Your response is very taking too much time. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Response is
5,
taking-
5. So krypton ends with 4s, sir. 4 s. No, 4p. 4p, 5s, 5s2, 2, 4d, 253, 4d3. So is this correct, sir?
correct.
Okay. Then
So 3 plus 2, 5. Group number 5 and period is 5th, right?
5 and period is plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5.
What is name of element? My God. Molybdenum. Group number 5 means
41 is
titanium. Under titanium, no? Under titanium is molybdenum, something there. Niobium, I think niobium. Can you see? Is there niobium? NB? It will be niobium.
what,
Is there.
sir?
It will be NB, niobium. It is
Okay,
your,
sir. Yes, sir.
I think, ZR, zirconium, and then molybdenum, then technetium. This is element there. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium. So this will be your next. This is your how much? Below 21. This is below 22. Okay, below 23. This is below 24. This is your 4D1, 4D2, and 4D3, 4D4. This will be 3D1, 3D2. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So this you have to
Yes, sir.
remember. You try this one. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
I told you trick. Okay. Now it is up to you how you are applying. That is only possible if you practice the question. More you practice question, okay, then your efficiency will increase. When you see the question, answers will be there within 10 to 15 seconds. Or you know that you will get the idea, okay, this question will solve in this manner. If you got this much, means only you have to increase the efficiency. Okay. First you catch it,
Yes,
like
sir.
how to solve it. The second thing is increase the efficiency. Understood? Efficiency will be only increased by practicing. There is no other way. First to understand and try to solve the question by the correct method. And second thing is you have to increase the efficiency. Both are very important. First identify the solving method, and second is the speed. So first to identify, then speed will increase by solving problem. This means that we require lots of practice. Then next last will be you will get the good marks in chemistry subject. Very good marks. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
So first to try to identify how you solve. Because your method of solving answers will be correct. It's not be wrong. If that method is wrong, then you are wasting time. One question will take the 10 question time also. So in a NEET, time is very, very important. You can't waste time. Okay. Clear now? This Q1,
Yes, sir.
last one. What is the answer? Is easy only? 45? No. It will be 4P3 now.
Krypton. So what is xenon, sir? Xenon.
54. They don't 86. So 86 is your generally 5P6.
Xenon. 86.
And they don't be your 6P6. So 6P6 means 6P3. So it will be 6P3. Clear. So what is the name of element? Can you tell you 6P3? Any guess?
6P3.
15, group number 15. Yeah.
P3. So. So 6P6, sir.
Uh, 13
6
group
up 12 or 15.
15. Yeah, correct. So what is the name of element?
Xenon 83 lanthanum. Lanthanide series, right, sir?
The 83 lanthanide is series is your 59 to 71, 58 to 71. Lanthanide is what is atomic?
Oh, then
It belongs to
they're in the same row.
It belongs to group 15, nitrogen family. Nitrogen is the second period as nitrogen, phosphorus.
Nitrogen, sulfur. No.
2P3, 3P3, 4P3, 5P3, 6P3. Arsenic, bismuth, and last one is what?
Arsenic.
Strontium, and the last is bismuth. Yes. Antimony and bismuth, na. Bi is bismuth.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bi, na. Oh my God, how will you solve the problem?
Yes, sir. I have little need to
Confusion.
learn the elements, sir.
Understood. If you miss this, easy question, very scoring question. And they won't ask you like nitrogen, phosphorus. They will ask you this element, last one. Okay. Means after 40 to 103, they can ask you any question, 105.
Yes, sir.
I put the method also. Okay. If you remember this method and name of the element in periodic table, so you won't make wrong. But you have to identify this one, the electronic configuration. Otherwise, you'll quickly give the group number, period number, and name of the element. Okay. Both all
Okay,
required. So let me end this one. Okay. So may I share you this one, Allen books? You want this book, Allen books?
Okay, sir.
You want this book? Actually, you see here, these papers are also there. I will show you. Here, all books are Allen's only. Can you see now? Biochemistry, math, physics, all the Allen books only. You want, then I will share you. Otherwise, I will leave.
Sir, KVPY means it will be little advanced, right, sir?
In class 11, they're asking this one, your questions from KVPY, but you have to study math also. Here, they ask a PCNB both. So you can leave this also, not required. Okay, better you focus on the need.
Sir, no,
okay.
sir. KVPY, I don't want, sir. Like.
Leave it. But you at least you go through this one books of physics, chemistry, and bio. Okay. You want this one, physics, chemistry, bio?
Sir, biology and chemistry alone, you can send, sir. I think.
So I leave the physics. Yes.
Sir, okay, sir, no problem, sir. You send biology, chemistry, and physics, sir. I will just go through.
Sending you. Three. This one. Why book is not hard game? Got it?
Got it through what, sir?
Why it is 4 MB, 7 MB, 2 MB, small book is there. 4 MB book is there. 4 MB, 7 MB, 2 MB. Got it? Very small.
Sir, are you sending through WhatsApp, sir? Oh, actually, I don't have my mom's WhatsApp right now, sir. I will ask her to forward it to me, sir.
Okay, tell her. Okay. It's 4
Yes,
MB, See here, I will just show you. Okay. Can you see now? This one.
Yes, sir.
So one is 4 MB, 7 MB, and 1 MB, 2 MB. Very small file is there. Okay, how 2 MB physics will be accommodated? Bio they have 4 MB, chemistry 7 MB. Amazing. Same, you know how many pages are there? 432 pages. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so shall I end the meeting? Tomorrow we'll meet morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, bye then. Take care.
Sir, what chapter are you teaching, sir, in the JSO batch?
JSO batch, which chapter? And in that batch, JSO batch, no, the batch gone, JSO batch. We introduced chapter called Pakka IT. Okay.
Ah, yes, sir. Okay, that group only, sir.
So Pakka IT, so in Sunday we are teaching the advanced syllabus, and other two means like Tuesday and your which time is that? Friday. So we are going to beginner batch, beginner class. Beginner class we are teaching.
So what chapter in advanced and beginner, sir?
Beginner class we are going to see. I will decide today. Maybe I don't know today what we'll decide. And beginner class we advanced class we started this one your solid state. Solid state 2 class.
Okay,
over.
sir.
Solid state 2 class. That is also a good chapter. And you should take that class also, but I think you don't have time.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm like there's a lot of classes, sir, evening classes. So
Leave it. But that is a good chapter. So it's there. So you leave it. Why you join? You join one class and read silently. Okay.
so no, sir. I just wanted to know, sir, like where you
No,
are, sir. So
no problem. I am sending a message also now. Just because they are reading the randomly. Okay. Some people are joining, some people not. That is not the way to study. Na. I'm just
yes, sir.
teaching. I am also time passing. They're also time passing. Okay. Learning is not
Yes.
going anywhere. No learning. Learning is zero. Okay. Simply time pass is there. It's okay. Because so I will keep on teaching. So it will be habitual now. So that's why I'm teaching that. But that is not good method. No like a question, no paper, nothing is there. Only time pass. Okay, somebody learning, somebody is not learning. So that is not the perfect way of learning. You should go with the proper track. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
simply that is called time pass batch. Okay, but if somebody attending every time, in that was they are learning. Some who are not attending, then so they will lose it. They no use of attending classes. Clear? Okay, so shall I end
Yes,
the
sir.
meeting? We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.